Dear students, in this topic, we shall take an overview of the alimentary systems found in animals. The alimentary systems are involved in procuring food and converting it into a usable form by the cells of the animal body. Both these processes of procuring and digesting or converting it are known as nutrition. The major steps of animal nutrition include digestion of the ingested food products, then absorption of digested food products or products of digestion. Number 3, the egestion or removal of indigestible parts of the food and undigested waste products. There are two major types of alimentary systems which are observed in all animal kingdom. The first alimentary system is a simple sac-like gastrovascular cavity, while the second type of alimentary system, which is found in most of the animals, is a tubular alimentary canal, also known as the gut. Dear students, the simple sac-like gastrovascular cavity is the characteristic feature of Cnidaria. It has a single opening which is called mouth. ये जो ओपनिंग है ये दो तरह के काम जो कि फूड के इनटेक और आउटलेट के तौर पर सिंगल ओपनिंग ही ये काम करती है. That is, this mouth serves for the ingestion or intake of food, as well as it serves for the egestion or removal of indigestible wastes. इसके मुकाबले में जो ट्यूबुलर एलिमेंट्री कैनाल है, that is found in complex bilateral animals. ये जो ट्यूब है ये एक हॉलो ट्यूब या ट्यूबुलर कैविटी है which is open at both ends. ये सैक लाइक नहीं है. सैक हमेशा एक साइड से ओपन होती है, दूसरी साइड से क्लोज होती है, लेकिन ट्यूब जो है ये दोनों एंड से ओपन होती है. इसकी जो दो ओपनिंग्स हैं उनमें से पहली ओपनिंग माउथ कहलाती है, which is for ingestion or intake of food, जबकि इसके दूसरे एंड पर जो ओपनिंग है that is called anus, which is for egestion. इस तरह के ट्यूबुलर डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक को जिसकी दो ओपनिंग्स होती हैं उसे कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक या एलिमेंट्री कैनाल या गट कहते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल और कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक has certain advantages for the animals. It increases the efficiency of digestive and absorptive processes. It also allows unidirectional flow of food contents through the digestive tract. This type of alimentary canal or alimentary system also allows regional specialization for different types of digestive actions. Dear students, ये जो रीजनल स्पेशलाइजेशन एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में होती है, this helps in various functions related to digestion, that is mechanical, chemical and bacterial treatment of food in special regions of the alimentary canal. इसके अलावा जो दूसरा मेजर फंक्शन है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ डाइजेशन, ये भी स्पेशल रीजन्स में किया जाता है. एंड the storage of undigested waste materials is also carried out or takes place in special regions of the alimentary canal. This is known as regional specialization.